For more than a century, the University of San Agustin has been a beacon of shaping leaders, nurturing minds, and fostering a community rooted in truth and service. Bound by the Augustinian values of Unitas, Caritas, and Veritas, the campus journalists of the University of San Agustin, the USA Publications, carry this legacy forward for over 97 years, working hand in hand to uphold truth, inspire creativity, and serve the student body through responsive, developmental, and research-based journalism. At the forefront, the Executive Committee sets the direction, ensures quality, and unites the voices of the publication, overseeing the highest standard of quality for every article and output, ensuring integrity within our work while upholding journalistic ethics, maintaining the publication trusted and as an inspiring platform for truth and creativity.
The digital media team handles the USA Publications online platforms. They curate, produce, and publish content from live coverage to breaking news, allowing the Augustinian community and the world to stay informed in real time.
The literary team nurtures creativity through Irong Irong, the official student literary journal of the publication, where imagination and expression freely flourish, curating and seeking out creative pieces reflecting the diverse perspectives of the student body. The program management team oversees the flow of every event there is. They handle logistics, scheduling, and supplies, ensuring a smooth flow across all initiatives of the publication.
Let's go. You don't need no luck with that golden touch. Time to light it up. Let's go. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Yeah, this is it. Go! 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 Yeah, this is it. Go! Go! Let's go! This is it.
The photography team captures not just moments, but emotions and history as they happen right in front of our eyes. They provide coverage that not only serve as visual records, but also as images that tell their own stories. Adding color and life to our pages, the art and design team is composed of visual storytellers who are the heart of every issue. They bring ideas to life through layouts, graphics, and creative branding that make each output clear, organized, and impactful.
Let the games begin. Your chains will not hold me down. Break and fall to the ground. Can't tame these lions inside.
Extending our reach beyond the page, the Community Affairs team connects the publication to the heartbeat of campus life, spearheading outreach initiatives, taking the publication's influence outside the campus walls into the wider community, reflecting the values of a true Augustinian.
7 teams, one vision, endless stories. From one team to another, this is USA Publications, making the Augustinian voices impossible to ignore, upholding and carrying the values and principles of what it truly means to be united with one purpose as one Augustinian.